the programs are about number printing. I will show you something that what are the advantage of learning, understanding the program for once and using it again and again. You can see like in the previous programs we had this, we printed this question 47 the pattern printing of this. Now we'll just copy this code and you will see few magics. So what is important that you understand the logic. If you don't understand the if you don't understood the logic that how is this will run, you can go to my that video and you can check out. Now you will see, as I stated here, 1 for int I is equals to 1. Every time I equals to 1 it will print, it will run for one time and will print 1, and for second time it will run for 2 times and print 2 times 2, print 3 times 3, 4 times 4, print 5 times 5, and from row times rowth position. Okay, this is the advantage. We built it our logic here and just copied here and change edited here, and our a similar number pattern is obtained. You will see 5, see 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5. And let's check for 7. Let's check for 9. It has successfully passed all the test cases. Okay, now let's again copy this code. We will see again magic in question number 2. Just editing a position and we'll get different number pattern. Just comment this. We'll now see same logic what we studied there. Now we'll edit here J, just J, small j, sorry, my caps lock also. Now you see it will run from j equals to I and j equals to 1 and I is then equals to for 1 till 1. For first, if row is equals to 5 it will print 1. For in second case row will be 2, it will run from 1 to 2 and we will print it 1 2. Similarly it will run from 1 at last 1 till 5 and then from 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5. Now see, let's check the code. Perfect. Yeah, see, same output. Now let's check for 3. See, now check for 9. Okay, this code I also successfully execute, passed all the test cases. That's why I said you should understand the logic what I stated in that star pattern video, because that logic is used again and again in different type of patterns. So when we will go to harder pattern like pyramid pattern, uh, star patterns, then we will use that small logics and you will see that how useful they are. See, they I stated in the previous program. See, again we're copying this, just we are copying this. I stated you that while during the pattern printing program you need to keep 3 things in your mind. First, how many rows, that we are just declaring it here row. Then what about spaces? If it is concerned, then we will first handle the spaces in a one additional loop. Then the numbers what we need to print, and if we need to print further on, then also if some spaces is there, assume that if here it was same pattern here, 5 4 4 4 4 3 3 3 3 3, then we need to add one space here, so we'll handle one more space loop, then again one that printing loop. So similar pattern, we will break the problems into smaller problems and solve it. Okay, now let's solve this. So always keep in mind, first row, then space, then what we need to print. See, just by adding what this, we'll get this desired pattern. We got it. 9. Okay, it has also passed all the test cases. Let's comment it out. We'll move to our fourth pattern. Same star pattern logic. Just we will edit here J, that is our innermost loop. Now you will see the logic. Now you see magic. See 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 4 5. So what are the minor changes we are doing and how we are getting the output? This is the magic of pattern printing. Understood? Now let's comment this out. See, by understanding one logic, you are able to solve so much pattern. So please make sure you understand this logic very nicely and precisely. A very important logics. Okay, Control V. Now again, see here something is missing. That is our braces. Now again we will do the same thing. We'll put here I. Put here I. And we'll see we'll get the similar pattern. 5. Okay. 7. We got the pattern. Let's check for smaller number 3. We got it. Now let's comment this out. Move to our next pattern. Spaced. We need to add here braces and just add J here. By adding J here, we are just getting the desired pattern what we want. See, by 5 we got what we wanted. For 3 we got what we wanted. See, got it? Now just comment it out. Now with reference to the last one, we will also use this logic to print few number patterns, that is 7th and 8th. As you know what the changes we need to do, just we need to add I here and just execute it, check whether we are getting what we desired. Yeah, we are getting what we desired. 7 9. See, if you are not understanding the logic, you can go to that video and see, I have explained the logic also. Okay, logic is quite simple. See, pattern printing, this type of pattern printing generally improves your looping concepts. Okay, when you will go to deep, as I said, deeper pattern problems, you will see that how advantage this loop will be there. And see one more how advantage what I stated. Considered first how many rows are there that we are solving here, then spaces, then number. I will remind you there that what I stated will follow just that pattern what I stated, and you will get, you will able to solve larger problems, larger patterns in just few seconds, because that logic is very interesting. See, we are getting what we desired. Code has passed all, successfully passed all the test cases, so all the pattern has been printed. That's all. Thank you. Stay tuned.